Hi, my name is Anika and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a smoothie bowl. This is one of the dishes that I'm making for Father's Day. I have uploaded all the other dishes that I've made, so I hope you guys go check those out. Anyways, to make the smoothie bowl, you'll need a half cup of frozen berries. I'm using blackberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries, a half cup of mango, a half cup of pineapple, a banana. I'm using a small banana, but if you're using a regular one, it would just be half of that, and some coconut milk. So the first step is to put it all in the blender. And the coconut milk, I'm just going to add a little bit at a time as I blend it. So right now I'm just going to add a little bit of it. And then as I blend it, I might add some more. So I set my blender at the smoothie setting, and now we're going to let it Now I'm going to pour this into the bowl. Now it's time to decorate. So first I'm going to cut the strawberries. And then I'm going to cut the banana. Now I'm going to put the bananas and the strawberries in the bowl. And now I'm going to put the strawberries in the smoothie bowl. And now I'm going to add in the granola. Now I'm going to add in the pumpkin seeds. As I've said before, this is one of my Father's Day dishes that I've made. So I have uploaded all the other Father's Day dishes that I made, so I hope you go check those out. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications to get notified whenever I post a new video. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye!